In this video, you'll learn how to recover your Envato account if you're having trouble accessing it. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to regain access to your account quickly and effectively. Begin by navigating to the Envato login page. Once there, look for the option labeled Forgot Password or Account Recovery. This option is typically found beneath the fields where you would normally enter your login credentials. By clicking this link, you will be redirected to the account recovery page, which is essential for starting the recovery process. On the recovery page, you will see a prompt asking you to enter the email address associated with your Envato account. It is crucial to ensure that you enter the correct email address, as this is where the recovery instructions will be sent. After verifying that the email is accurate, click on the Submit button. Following this action, you should check your inbox for a recovery email. If you do not see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder, as sometimes automated messages can be filtered there. After locating the email from Envato, open it and look for a recovery link. Clicking this link will direct you to a page where you can set a new password for your account. Choose a strong password that meets their security requirements. Once you have entered and confirmed your new password, save the changes. This step is crucial as it ensures that your account is protected with updated credentials. Once your password has been successfully reset, return to the Envato login page, enter your email address along with the new password you just created. After clicking the login button, you should regain access to your account. This process effectively restores your ability to use all features associated with your Envato account. That wraps up today's guide on recovering your Envato account. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.